How can two brothers, two biological brothers, of the same parents be fighting over one woman?
Now look at the woman and her drago. Even in the
My concern is
basin.
Enough is enough. Obu malaki na cho na yeba anya da egu ego. Odi na ba anya da egu ego.
Do you know, I used to think I'm fat, but when I saw these two people, I know that fat is fat. There is fat. There is fat.
My annoyance is that is there no other woman on the surface of earth? Okay. Why must you fight over one? Now, Norma, listen to me. As the head of this family, I am standing my ground because all of you know if I take this matter to my kinsmen, many of you will be ostracized. You know the implication.
What take it to them?
Norma, listen to me. Okoro is your husband. Legally, because he wedded you.
Ma'am.
And traditionally, he's your husband. Paid your bride price, so he's your husband. Any other person is an intruder.
Yes.
And the gods of the land, our tradition will not fail to deal with that person accordingly. To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
Uncle Kafo, I've heard all you said. But the truth of the matter is that I will never go back to my vomit. Mr. Okoro here is my vomit. I never loved him.
Perfectly said.
On one of your vomit. Okoro one be your vomit.
Edda.
Okoro one be your vomit.
It was my mother that forced me to marry him.
I'm aware.
Because of the gift and the money he's giving to her.
Bam.
As of now, I have found my love. And my love is Cheta.
Perfectly said. Perfectly said. Where my sister stand, Nadia, where I stand.
Ipu nyala.
Osino.
You are a madman.
I'm going to work ya buru woke. I'm going to work ya buru woke.
You are a madman. If you don't close that mouth of yours,
Wait to Aka.
In Apuala. See, let me tell you something. Norma, you see Okoro here? He's your husband.
Mama, never.
Never.
I won't marry Okoro. I won't. In fact, Okoro, I need a divorce and I need it now.
Bam.
I'm not doing this marriage anymore.
Bam.
You lied! I say you need Sibu working over my dead body. Divorce. Where? In my house or anywhere. Let me tell you something. Shut up. I'm talking. Mama, I'm talking. Shut up. What
are you doing?
If I'm talking, keep quiet.
Why are you even supporting Mama? Why are you supporting
You will
him?
marry Okoro if you like it.
I will not, Mama. I will not. Go ahead and marry him. You forced me to marry him.
I'm the first son of the house, Mama.
Have you seen what you did to your mother? Chetachi.
Take over.
Chetachi.
You got no one leg. You marry your sister.
Basketball. X. Keronye mere mi ya. Chetachi, have you seen what you have done to your own mother? You turned your own biological mother into a laughing stock in this village. When I'm going, people will be laughing at me, pointing at me. The one that her second son snatched the first son's wife. People are mocking me.
Ififele.
No sense. No sense of responsibility at all.
Please. Just let me be. As far as I am concerned, this matter has been resolved a long time ago. All we are just doing here is just going back and forth and rigmaroling for nothing.
The English. Okay.
Okoro. Owen he chọrọ ikwu. Ama m na no majiri go obi. Owen he chọrọ ikwu.
Ọ chọrọ divorce, ge man me na grant am.
I chọrọ divorce because
Cheta. In fact, this whole thing is a shame for me. I shame for you. Cheta, you no get conscience. Cheta, you no get no even respect or regard or small conscience for everything when I do for you. Cheta, You have the mind. You stealing my woman. And you are here in Asolomo Yibo. You are speaking English for me. You are speaking English, embarrassing me in front of people.
Oh.
Cheta, I will tell you something today.
They say I will fight you with mother. I will fight you. I go fight you physical and spiritual. I will leave the fact that you are my brother. Man, I'm fighting you.
Okoro, you are just a downcast, frustrated fool who had already failed even before he started.
Your elder brother. You're talking to like this.
Hi! Let me ask you a very sincere question. How does it feel to have a taste of your own medicine? Okoro, if wishes were horses, what would you wish for? Okoro, you took my woman, Kemi, from me back then in school, and you asked me to focus on my studies. Huh?
My Diego.
Okoro, why don't you focus on your business now?
My Diego.
Why don't you focus on your business?
What happened that time?
What did you do?
Keep quiet.
Leave me alone. And leave my woman for me.
Why are you dragging her?
Sit with him. I'm a go meet now, Mama Kaila.
Hey!
I'm a go meet now. I go bench now.
I
go bench.
I'm on you.
We are alive now. I never go now. Hey, boom something.
Oh, no,
full option.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mark.
Baba, that is a full option.
Mountain.
It is what Odogu climb.
What are you doing with this?
Mama,
all these condiments?
I go climb up, I climb down, but I enjoy it. I swim inside.
No.
Full option.
No, Mom.
Thank you, Mark.
No.
How have you been?
Mom, I'm trying.
You look fine.
I should. I'm enjoying my son's money.
Hey.
I worked hard.
Oh,
Let
you
me
are
enjoy
good.
it.
Of course, if you don't enjoy your son's money, you will.
Oh, Nanigi, will you finish it?
Mama chop the money. You chop the money too. Yeah?
Oh, wait for.
Kayo go 3.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Now they where do you
I bought something for you.
Yeah, so because I know I'm coming from village now, I said she's just telling me that she wants to buy this.
She buy it. She pick it.
Thank you. Hello. Hey.
Where's my brother?
He's at the back. He's walking.
my brother one time he said no here horn. Popo to know that his brothers are like.
Oh, no, he may not have heard the horn.
It's all right.
No.
I will say, Mama, let me bring a bag in the boat.
Give him a
Mama, when the bag is heavy, so I carry heavy things because of that. Okay, I will see him, but let me bring down my wife's bag.
Mama, let's go.
Is one bringing your bag?
Yes, Mama.
I will bring it, don't worry. You will find your to carry bag.
Hey!
Mama.
I don't even know. Waiting this girl pack like this that is heavy in this bag. We are not staying too long, go. Hey, it's good to be home. Let me. Mama, did you cook isikwalofe? Isikwalofe,
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at his chest. My God. Where on earth did you keep such a guy? Look at his masculine body. This guy looks like someone's spiritual husband.
My son, I'm the happiest person to see you. Even though I know it's because of this chieftaincy celebration was the reason you came by. Because if not, you would have said you're too busy to come and see your mother.
No, Mama, you don't need to talk like that. Eh? Mama, see, it's not be because of this only chieftaincy that make me to come. Eh? Mama, I dey prepare. I dey agitate things. Because this poverty don't deal with us for this family. And I don't plan. Me a balance here. I said there is no way. Odogu gonna cancel all the poverty. So Mama, I don't make small money. No. And the small money when I make, it go reach everybody. It will go round. You know what understand now? So don't worry. I just want to hold on small and prepare. So when I come back, even in a members here, and I'm alive. I asked you of my younger brother. I said, where is my brother before? And I've gone inside and come and sit here. Where is him?
He's at the backyard breaking firewood for me. I kept firewood there for him to help me break. And that's exactly what is helping me to break. You know, that place is stuffy. May not be able to hear you. It's far.
Mama, Odogu ablokwa guy name. Odogu no be guy name. For the fact that he has here and he knows that the brother have come. He come and greet me. I have made money that will make me and my brother comfortable. So he will come and embrace, he should come and embrace a new level. New level. Or see me is breaking.
Don't worry, I will go and call him.
Mama, can I send my mother message? It's all now. Talking about going to call him, Chelo, Mama. I used to use him firewood because I know I bought you gas. Egom gas. So you upgrade. I want you to upgrade to the next level. You are still using firewood on banana now. Mama,
you cannot separate me from that. It gives me joy to cook with firewood. The food cooked in firewood tastes better and is faster. I am not used to this your modern things. Before I will burn down this house.
But you will not
no,
burn
gas is very...
The house will not burn.
It's very risky.
Firewood food tastes close to poverty. But the gas food tastes Nindi Ogalanya.
It's not true.
Rich
I know
man
that.
Just learn it.
I know the right one. Don't worry, your wife is back. She'll be cooking with the gas. Me, I'll be cooking with the
okay,
fire.
make I go blame person as I pay. I'm making they teach you. I go now. I pay the person. You're not small.
Your wife will teach me. She knows how to do it. Yeah. Let me go and call your brother.
No dogua. Ne Ogalanya. The village will know me. I've come back. They will know that Dogua blogger. Can't get these boys in our bomb. They don't know how to be chokode. Organic.
Oh my gosh. This guy. Man. Where were you when I was looking for your kind to marry?
Mama? I actually came to look around.
I know. Your husband has been looking for you all over.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
I guess you must be Chita, right?
Oh, yes, and you must be Norma.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let me see him.
It's all right.
Okay, Mama.
Mama, they are back.
Yes, they are.
Where is he?
He's in the room. He's been asking after you.
Okay, let me just quickly...
I told him you were busy with something. That was probably why you didn't hear the car horn.
Oh, absolutely. Let me just get my slippers and I'll join him soon.
It's all right.
Yes.
What is the meaning of this? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. All these Gen Z girls. What are they always up to? Rubbing her body, doing smesme.
Let me be the happy person. Happiest person. Mama? This God, no they lie.
At all.
For everything we don't suffer for this village now, Mama, see am now. The family don't get one ogalanya, one rich man, and one graduate. Graduate of
Public administration.
If you go to my brother, the public now. All the public. All the go very public. My brother is public. My brother is public. They call administration.
Administration.
Administration. Who know that this family will be administration? Hey. That is why I tell people that onion did in Yes. We are following things gradual. Now we are alive.
Yes.
Mama, you see this soup, because you teach my wife. You teach my wife how to cook them. So when we reach on the chat, she will cook it for me.
Baby, does that mean I don't know how to cook or what?
No, I have not said that one. Now I not talk that one. Waiting at the talk, we say, when Mama teach you.
Are you able to cook this one?
Welcome. Waiting be the next plan. Let us follow up and make sure that everything go well.
Oh, well, I recently got an I-20 scholarship to play college basketball in the US. So, and you know how much I love this basketball career thing. And I've been pushing to get it. So, I'm definitely going to pursue that career. It doesn't come all the time, but
slow down.
I'll go for it.
You know, you they confuse me with this your English. This your administration. Which one be I-20? Oh, you get any I with the answer 20?
No, I
I-20.
No, I'm sorry. I don't mean the physical I. I mean letter I. I-20. It's
letter.
For scholarships, yes. It's a US visa category to play, sports like football, basketball, in high school and college. I was fortunate. They saw my video on the internet, so they prepared everything for me.
Really?
Yes.
US?
Yes, in California.
You will go.
Amen.
Basketball,
you will
go. Yes. Your height has paid off.
Yes.
Go now. You will go. I will put money.
Yes.
You will go and come. So this village, we know that our father that they look at a poor man, they call our father a poor man. They will know that Ogalanya has come, which is Odogu like me. And then American I-20 have come from American football.
Yes.
I-20 of where?
I-20. I-20,
yes. I-150.
Okay.
You go.
Thank you so much, brother.
It's all right.
I really appreciate it.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you so much.
My son,
Mama.
I am so happy.
Thank you, Mama.
My son, look at us. I could not afford a cup of garri. We are the ones now dealing in millions. See your business flourishing. He's not going to abroad to go and do I-20. You know what it means? Basketball.
Mama, you have remembered me something now.
Oh.
You have remembered me something when we used to play canal.
Hi.
Mama, you see this thing now, you remember me, This evening, you cook another soup. And you use fowl to cook it. Fowl local cow. You do flying, you fly some, and then use some to do salah.
You said you are going to fly them to... Will you fly them
No,
out?
flying now. Flying.
Oh, you mean to fry them?
I know that he get him now shine. I'm fine. I will give you an ewu. You want an ewu? I will give you money to buy an ewu. And if you want to put in chitu, you put on bada. Let everything be in the soup. There is money, eh? In there you won't understand. I tell you, we suffered.
Mommy, you don't mean it.
Suffering. Don't pray for it. Because when it comes.
Mama, do you know that even in Onitsha, Joanna, my wife, sometimes when she put food for me, I will tell her put plenty meat. She will say, well, is this meat not? I say put because I did not eat meat when I didn't eat meat when I'm small.
That one, the father will roasting.
Mama, if you want to.
What sort of nonsense is this? Somebody cannot even sleep. You can have the bed to yourself.
Norma, what are you doing out here this late?
And you, what are you doing out here this late? Isn't this late as well?
Listen, I'm only I'm trying to process my I-20 application, and because of the time zone in America, this is the perfect time for me to do it. I mean, you should be in the bedroom with your husband.
Don't mind me, Jerry. Your brother snores so hard at night. I can't even sleep.
Norma, snoring is not such a bad thing.
Really?
Yes, it's a natural phenomenon. It is caused by fatigue or stress or discomfort of any sort. Besides, you two have been married for over 1 year now. So I don't know why you're not used to him yet. Like, why are you just discovering it now?
Maybe because ever since we came in today, you've been in my head.
Okay. Yes, I wanted us to cook beans. Maybe we'll go and get it from the bag and come and start picking so that we can cook.
Okay. But Mama, before we do that now, there's something that is really bothering me.
What is it?
And I don't want you to feel somehow. I just wanted us to discuss it.
Please, what is it? Are you alright? Are you sick?
No, Mama.
What is it?
Mama, how come Cheta, being the younger brother of Okoro, is more educated than my husband Okoro?
Oh. One is a long story. A very long story. The truth is that Okoro dropped out of school for Cheta to continue with his education after the sudden death of their father. that is my husband. At that point, even to feed was a huge burden. No money anywhere, let alone trying to send somebody to school, train 2 people in school. It was hard. In fact, I don't even want to talk about it because it is still very painful, even until this day.
It's okay, Mama. I don't want you to get bothered. it's okay. I don't need.
Do you know that Okoro is even more intelligent academically than Jetachi?
I know.
Because if you have let Okoro to go to school, Okoro probably would have read medicine.
And he's a very smart man.
He's smart. Anything.
Mama, it's okay. It's fine.
Mama.
Cheta.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Cheta. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
You slept well?
Oh, yes, I slept like a baby. I can see you're getting stronger by the day. You're getting stronger and stronger.
That is the secret of money. Money can do anything. Money can turn a young woman into an old woman into a young woman.
Exactly, Mama.
I'll be on my way now to go and jog. I'll see you guys later in the day.
Can I join you?
Dressed like this?
No.
I mean, absolutely. Okay, I'll just wait for you outside. Mama,
I'm coming. Let me change. Cheta.
Oh, you're out?
Yeah.
You good?
Sure, I'm good. Don't I look good?
I was actually talking about your energy.
Sure.
Yeah, are you sure you can do this with me?
Of course.
We still got the evening section.
In the evening?
Oh yes, I have the evening section.
I'm
So,
ready.
you sure?
Yeah.
Let's go for it. Come on, bring it.
you coming from like this time? I was worried sick about you. You woke up in the morning, you left. And you're dressed like this. Where are you coming from?
Mama, what are you worried about? You see, Mama, I don't want to disturb. I say, no, let me not wake you. Waking you for sleep will be a very bad idea. I was having call, very busy call. Nabia call was coming. Nabia, a business counterpart in Onitsha, where I am doing business. They were coming. So I said, let me rush. So I go and settle something. That's what I went to do. And settle the business.
And you couldn't have called them to do it for you or do it on your behalf?
No.
Must you go there?
Mama. I cannot entrust my life in the hand of those boys. So I can't trust my life for those boys' hand. Or they may. Because those boys, they are not trustworthy. Talk more of business worth of millions of dollars. Millions of naira. Mbao. Mama, I have to go there and do the business myself.
Well, come back. See the time you're coming back.
It's alright.
Mama, Aku is all flying all over the place.
Mama, I'm very hungry.
I made something nice.
Oh, you made something?
Yes.
I know you will make.
I'm so happy you're back.
It's alright. That reminds me, where is my Achalogo?
Achalogo Parara. Is it not what you used to call her?
It is what
she went for evening jogging with your brother Chetachi.
Jogging?
I'm even looking out for them to come back. If you had come back, this thing will not be out by now.
It's alright, I am back. Which one is jogging this night? Village jogging?
If Mama,
no, if it's because of that, that she's jogging, we'll go tomorrow. And Abakwa tomorrow. Go, what does you want to reduce? I don't want anything reduced. Let it be the way it is. Can't reduce.
Come, let's go inside.
You can't lose weight. Lose again. No, the uku cannot go down. The uku is my center of concentration.
No, let's go inside.
No, yeah, come on down. No, I don't like coming down. Oh. Hey, kill it, we are. Hey, baby. You know that I forget to tell you the transaction I do today for market. Market was very good today. The transaction Amaka. I did in a joy mode, very big joy mode. Yeah.
Odogu, what's the meaning of this? I mean, we just finished making out. The least you could do was to say thank you to your wife for making you happy. Why going straight to business? Or is it that you don't know how to tell me sweet words?
Is it bad that I tell my wife that I do very good transaction today in market? Okay, Odogu collected what Odogu paid for. I paid this thing now. I will still say thank you. Thank you for doing the work.
Those are the turn off.
Turn again?
Yes, those are the turn off. Those are the things that make me not...
How much is turn off now? I can buy it.
Turn off.
How much will turn off? You turn off, I use money and turn you on.
Can't even say thank you. Or even call me nice names. What's the meaning of what?
I call baby now.
Leave me.
I call you Asam.
Asagi gene.
That my brother. That bag. What did that man? What did he say? How many bags?
Well, the engineer said that the back lintel is going to take 50 bags of cement. But from my experience and what I saw, I don't think it's supposed to take up to that. I think it's
You're not supposed to take 50 now. I think
It's-
about 50 for
Lintel.
from this place to that place. In fact, you tell him again. From this place to that place, you say 50 bag. Is he a look? It's a big look. I know they are scheming. If you give them money now to go buy it, they will buy 25 and then chop the other one. Onyoli. I will go pay for the cement.
That's how
let's go. Let me pay. Hi. Asa, this one you are looking at selling. I know you think Negodi Odogu. Am I not okay? Negodi no Odogu now.
you know that Odogu Bwonka. I will come back, eh? Yeah. Small time now, don't return. Stop stealing. This one that you're stealing. You think I want to go far?
Yeah, actually do.
One day, open. Hey.
What you do in life, you think is smartness. You wanna live your life the way you want it. Oh, you think you were wise.
How do you feel now? You feel better?
Yeah, I feel a bit relieved. Thank you for coming to my aid.
Please, may I know what is going on here?
Oh, Blossom, I did not have any idea you were here.
You don't know what I'm asking.
So, what is going on where?
Cheta, I saw how close the two of you were before I walked in here. Or with the fact that she was about kissing you before I got here. Oh. Have you seen? Have you seen? Now she's pushing me because of you.
Your elder brother's wife. Oh.
Blossom, please. Blossom, please. It's late. Can you just cut me some slack and let me have some peace in this house, please?
You see that peace? You will not have it. Cheta, I said you will not have it unless you tell me the truth. What is going on between you and your elder brother's wife? That's what I'm asking. Are you having an affair?
Well, it's obvious you only came out here to constitute nuisance.
Oh.
But I do not have time to reply you.
You see that nuisance, eh? The only way I will stop constituting nuisance here is for you to tell me the truth. Are you having an affair with your elder brother's wife? Yes or no?
So for everything wey you don't do Odogu like me, you no get simple obiebele. You no get small rethinking. After everything when I don't do for you, na me, Chief Okolo, na you Kale won't give me embarrassment. Embarrassment where you won't give me e good or the good. Wetin be the thing when I do you where you no fit consider say I be your husband? Consider. For everything for this world, na my brother when I suck bless remain for. Na my brother now you want, my brother na atade. No conscience, no remorseful at all. Say you do something where they bad, where tradition they say no, they don't want. You go pay for ram.
Now Okoro, listen to me. Listen real good, Okoro. You were never my choice. You were never the one I loved, Okoro.
Really?
Yes! I never loved you. I only followed you because of the things you were doing for me and the gifts you were giving me.
Hey!
There was no time you were my option, Okoro. I'm tired. I found the one my body, my soul and my heart beats for. That is my dream man, Okoro.
You really have mind to tell me, Okolo, that I'm not your spec. After all these years, we have been together.
Okoro, listen to me, eh? Do you know what is good for you and I? Okoro, I need a divorce. And I need that divorce.
As your child, it is not possible.
I need it.
I married. Okay, my money. You need a divorce. get here. Now, they're going to this girl. They're going to this girl.
Just listen to me. You see, I did not intend for all of this to happen. It's just a mere mistake. Please don't leave me because of this.
Well, sorry to disappoint you. Cheta, I'm leaving. I'm leaving so that you can have all the time to flirt around your elder brother's wife. Is that not what you want? You should be ashamed of yourself. Of all the women in this village, your elder brother's wife, for crying out loud.
Oh, so it's my fault now. You are putting the blame on me. You, Blossom. I mean, where do you always run to when I call you to come and cuddle with me in the bed? In the cold weather, I can find you. You can't even make out with me. You are here, blaming me. Really, Blossom? Really? Now you listen to me. As far as I'm concerned, if you want to go, you can take this road, you get to the gate, take your left, that's the way to your house. Go to hell for all I care. You hear me?
Cheta, sorry to disappoint you. I go nowhere. Yes, you heard me right. I go nowhere. You want me to leave this house so that you can have the chance to flirt around your elder brother's wife, Abi? You have failed, though. You and that girl, that shameless girl, you have failed. You see this house? I'll remain here until I wish to go, not when you ask me to go. So this is how you want to pay him back, Abi? Answer! Oh, you're walking away. You think it's by that? I will be here to see what you guys are doing. Don't worry.
Cheta, you are crying. Cheta, you are crying. No, Cheta, since you don't want to leave my woman, you don't want to leave my girl, I will make sure you die. Since you don't want to less, you don't want to leave my woman, Cheta, I will kill you today and make sure that I go jail for you. Okoro. I go jail for you.
Okoro, you are chasing with a cutlass. How childish. I thought you would come with something bigger. What I will do to you, you will not believe it. Mama. You will not live to tell the story. If you are a real man, drop that toy in your hand. Drop that toy in your hand if you are a real man.
Okay, Cheta.
Yes.
Cheta,
yes.
You are a man, eh?
Yes.
Just wait for me, dear. Let me tell you something. Just want to tell something.
Yes.
Let me tell you something. Yes. You know who is a Lima. You think in fact again.
You have to fight like a real man. Come on, fight like drop the cutlass and fight like a real man. If it's sure for you, drop the cutlass.
Cheta, through to God, through to Chineke Kelemuna about Cheta, if you be man, if you be man, stand there. Stand there, let me just meet you and tell you something. Let me tell you something, very small something. Just stand and wait for me, let me tell you small something.
If it's sure for you, drop that toy. I said drop the toy.
Cheta.
Yes.
Cheta, you want to know if I'm a man, Cheta, I will tell you that I remain blessed. I'm your elder brother. Wait for me there. Cheta, wait for me.
You don't get experience. You are a Jew. You are a Jew, man. You are a Jew.
No, Cheta will die here today. There's nothing anybody will talk. Cheta will die here. Hey, in this house, Mama, I will kill Cheta. Cheta, since Cheta don't want to leave my woman, Cheta don't want to leave my girl. My girl! Cheta is my girl with girl. Oh. Cheta, you are calling God. You are calling God. You are calling God.
Fight like a real man.
Mama, Mama, I tell you.
You are carrying a knife for me.
You are
carrying a knife for me.
You are in your court. Mama, Cheta have a gun. Cheta have a gun. In a court. Cheta, give me now. Give me now. I know cut people. I know cut people. I go and give you. Your son there for court. Your son there for court.
Look at my face and fear God. You're the kind one. Even though I know that what is happening is not good, you're the one that can listen to me.
I will kill you. Mama, the only problem to solve this is that two of us die. Two of us will die. In jelly anger. I will go to prison.
I will not lose my two sons and I will not lose any of you.
Upe.
Why are you talking like that?
Upe. Mama, if you know that you don't want to lose your two sons, tell this occult boy. Tell this vagabond. Tell this Nikon poo To live for my woman. Let her live for my woman. Let him live for my woman.
See, let us come together as a family and plan on how to send this evil girl away. She's the one causing the problem. Can you not see it? How can a legally wedded wife be lusting after your younger brother? Or alone, Mama.
Mama.
Let us come together. Send her away.
Mama,
see the way she's holding a man.
Mama, you don't know how to discuss.
You are holding you.
Mama,
Mama, leave
it because it is because your court boy has used your court on my wife. He has used your court on a court.
No,
Mama, I will kill this boy. You are using your court. Mama.
What is wrong with you? What's the problem? You okay? What's happening? Mama, come now.
Don't you fighting?
I'll pray for God.
You have a gun in your hand.
I'll pray for God.
Mama, come.
I'll pray for God. I'll kill you.
This is what it means to fight like a real man. Real men don't make noise. Real men don't fight with toys. We fight with real action. Fight to death. Let me warn you, Okoro. If you don't stay clear, if you do not stay away from my woman, Norma, I will dismember your body and you will find your head at Summit Junction, your legs at Interboa, and your hands at Obanam Road. Don't try me, Okoro. I will pieces you!
Yeah, but I'm a toy. That's
a toy, Mama.
My love, Obing, you don't need all of this. You don't need to show whatever strength you're trying to show right now. No matter what, this is your elder brother and this is your mom, Obing.
Egu, did I ask you to beg for me? Speak for yourself, don't speak for me. Speak for yourself.
Mama, please, with all due respect, you don't speak to my woman in that manner. That's disrespectful. Please, let's be guided.
Cheta me, Mwa, Okoro, your elder brother. Cheta, I suck blessed and lament for you. Cheta, I stopped going to school, so you go to school. Cheta, you went to school, and all you do is to enter court. Now you become occult, and you come back to carry that occult life, and you look at a titled man like me, and you are pointing a gun at a titled man that is against the tradition. And you have the audacity. You have the audacity to point a gun.
Look at what I look at. Shut up your mouth, titled Mugu.
My love, my bodybuilder, the man that owns my heart. Babe, you don't need all of this. For the sake of our love and for the sake of what we share together, for the sake of our unborn child, please.
For the sake of unborn child. Money not dinner.
Okoro, Chetachi, I was liably informed that both of you turned your late father's house to a war zone. That this is the place you test your weapon, your guns now, and test how sharp your machete is. Obezioku, is it true?
That is the truth, Nai.
Salute Nai. Let's hear them out before we conclude.
Oh, Amaka.
But Nai, there is nothing to hear from anybody here. I'm in a better position to speak the truth.
If you don't shut that mouth of yours,
Oh, Mama.
I will lay a curse on you that even your generation will not come out of it. Is this how I train you? Is this how I brought you up?
But Mama, I'm the victim here.
Shut up! Osinabu victim. What is it?
Nah, Mama, happens one in why. I'm with freedom of speech. I have to say her mind. S-in-law. They are S-in-law. Jukwa wegi because I never quite hear S-eba.
Welcome. Respect yourself.
Okoro. See the kind of children my in-law raised.
What kind of thing is it?
Mwekwa bono na bo onyowa. Nke di ishi adoro nko. Nke di nko adiri ishi.
Ngozi ogenesi. Kedu do okwu di zinka?
Hey!
Come on, mana go di nko ngwa kubeze.
Onu chere. Okoro. Ahum no bi juru geju. You are the eldest. Tell us what happened. Let us hear from you first.
Thank you very much.
Ogo. So it's Bogo.
Imara Ogo.
Yes, Ogo. Yes.
Imara Ogo.
Okay. Allow him to talk.
You don't like sitting next to another man. Gina Ogom. Omere ginanya. Ana rob ya. Oh.
Hapuze one name.
Iflefu.
Nani, you know me very well.
Of course.
There are things that are shame. What is happening? This gathering here now is very, very shaming for me. Or the very shaming. You know how I support community. You know how I support and make sure that even someone that best don't get oppressed again. All of us know my mother is a witness. Know how I suffer for this boy. I did not go to school. I didn't go to school because I want him to go to school.
What's what?
He now go to school and come back. Oborona, school that he go to is jail with occult. He became an occult.
Oh, Gen Z, Gen Z.
Gen Z,
my basketballer.
Gen Z, nigga.
He became an occult.
What is it?
Ezoroncha?
I don't know you ba adrokwan again manon.
I'm
not Ngozi, why are you sounding like this?
That is why you have made your choice. Is it not that thing I'm saying? Is it not that thing I'm saying? Because of all you bought manon, that was why you encouraged your daughter to go for the younger brother. Oh, they're the same thing. Like mother, like daughter. Yes!
Okore, as we were saying, when did he? I'm listening.
Nani. All of us know how I married this girl. I spend my business money. It's a mezbego. I put money and pay her bride price. Because I love this girl. Nani, if I sleep, I see her in my dream. My dream. And the next thing I will have is to see that my younger brother died, so blessed and remain. It blew my woman wholesale.
Hey.
Onata my woman. Onata my woman in under my nose. Only for me to say, it's not tradition. My brother not challenge him. I don't want to verse more than I'm versing now. He has the audacity to challenge him. I don't want to verse more than I'm versing now.
Okoro, I've heard what you said, but let us keep the record straight. Is that what angered you to start chasing him with a machete?
Nani, is it not enough? Our people say that an elder will not sit at home and watch the goat. Allow the goat. It is not tradition. I asked my brother, why are you doing this Aromani? This is very, very abomination. And the next thing, he wants to tell me that he went to school. He told me I should go to university and ask about him. It's an occult. My mother and me know that he has a gun in this house. Oblebe and carry gun and start shooting gun. That he will shoot me gun. A titled man. Is it good in our tradition? A or A? A or A?
Oh no, Ghana.
Oh mama.
Oh no, Ghana.
Ngozira punya kuku.
Nine.
Oh no, again now.
Mama, calm down now. Mama, this is not fair. Eh?
Say it now. Talk. Explain. Oh yeah, explain. Explain now. Explain this shame that you have brought to the family. Talk now.
Mama,
This whole thing is done and dusted. As it stands now, I'm carrying the child of my beloved husband.
Hello.
So fast.
My
Odogu.
Ese.
I got put another basketballer in my family.
Mamu give for saying that. In fact, Mamu get again. After spending money.
God will judge you.
What is Escalating?
Look at the present thing.
Stop it.
Please.
Stop it.
Who brought you this?
I don't know. Oshebe.
Who brought is my son? It's who brought.
That means they don't have a good training. Because if it's training, you will not keep this affront in the presence of others.
Basketballer. My in-law to be.
But, Mama, come to think of it. How can I be with a man that cannot satisfy me on bed? When I sleep and wake up, the only thing I think of is Cheta. Cheta is in my dream and is the man of my dream, Mama.
Hey, I am in a better position to know my sons better. My son has not said anything. Lo and behold, Chetachi here carried a gun, pointed a gun at his brother. Hey. I ran out to see how I can survey the situation. Hey. He shot into the air, shot at his brother. Wait.
Mama, that's not true. That's not true.
Basketballer, let's go.
Well, it's obvious. You people have nothing important to say. But I have something of more importance to attend to. Good. So I will see you people later.
My basketballer.
Don't live here. Have you seen it? There is no regard. No respect.
Talk to this man. Ask this man to leave my way. And now,
you are not leaving this place. You are not leaving here.
Unless you want to find out.
Who brought this?
Unless you want to find out.
No, who brought this? My friend, I am here. You're going Are you mad? You don't have respect for me. I suffered for you. I suffered for you.
Come and sit down.
You know what I'm talking about.
My in-law, original.
Look at it.
Mano sini nwere ifena oni nwere amu kwa awotara kwa mo efu nka o mbo si no nwere amu ama o nwere amu mbasi ka ngota ni fene
madam, listen, don't mess me with that.
o si ni nwere amu
enwelom, but when I came to marry her initially enwe amu now you have seen my brother now has amu go and ask your daughter why is the place open like liver. Because my brother has opened it. Ojeko, my brother has opened it. Osim na mama Abamu ya dia. Abamu your daughter dia.
Chetachi, both of you are my sons. I called for this meeting so that we can iron our differences amicably. Your sister is on holidays with my younger sister in the city. What will it look like when she comes back to this house? And meet you people fighting yourselves to death. What impression will people be creating before her? Is it to go out there and become a girl fighter, or to go out there and become a troublemaker? That is why I say let us come together. Put heads together. Become peace. Let us make peace. Find a way to make peace.
Mama, is this why you called this meeting, or you have something else to say?
Cheta? No. Cheta? In fact, Cheta, again.
Our mama they talk to us. You just sit down there, put two hands.
Now what I don't know.
You have arrived. You don't arrive now. Put two hands there, mama. Now this one make you call us. I mean another thing. In a so Igbo. No, you in a so Igbo now. You are speaking English. Abi, you speak English. I don't blame you.
Okoro, if I were you, I would mind my business. Okoro, mind your business. I was not talking to you. Do you hear me? Don't let me lose it.
Chinekebe. No, wait. It's me you're talking to like that. God, Bono. What happened? So, you have grown. You want to go now, you want to go now. That you open your mouth, you ask me, is it why you called for this meeting? Why else will I call the meeting? No, tell me. If you don't feel comfortable about the meeting, beat me.
Mama, this thing now they vex me. You train this boy very wrong. You train Cheta wrong.
Now it's your turn to train him well.
Eh? Cheta go there for our front to look me, title man like me, and you will be our mama there here. They say, and I Cheta, Cheta in a koala. You are telling me that you lose it. Lose him. Lose him now. I fight you.
I'm done with this.
You don't get regard. Cheta, I'm talking to you. I say I'm done.
No. What is wrong with you?
Cheta, you push a title man.
I am talking to you. Avoid me in this house. Do you hear me? I said avoid me. This is Papa's compound, and you have no right whatsoever to tell me what to do.
Cheta, you're not challenging now. You are challenging me.
Careful.
Mama, you're not here. Cheta, I'm talking to you. Title man. Mama, I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
I'll do this.
I'll kill Cheta here now.
Go and ask about me in the university. Go and ask about me in the university. I have my record there and it's clear.
Okay, for going now.
Mess up.
Mama,
I'll
see send you for university. Cheta on a court. Cheta in the court. Cheta, you no court. I will tell you I no court people.
Mama,
I no court people.
It's your son.
You no court. You want to tell me you no court?
Hold your son.
You want to tell me you no court?
I will deal with him.
Cheta, I will use money and deal with you. Go. I no court people. I no court people and they will do it with you. You have grown. I'm going to no court. On the court, I no court people. On the court. You did mama.
One ask of me.
In there for court. On the court. You want to fight me with court?
Okoro, open this door.
Okoro,
open this door.
Okoro, I'm warning you from last time. Go in there and open that door.
Okoro, open
You
this
do
door.
not want to see the other side of me, Okoro. I am warning you for the last time, Okoro. Go open that door now.
Cheta, are you not ashamed of yourself? Fighting over your elder brother's wife while your relationship is here suffering. You slapped me.
Yeah, you speak to me in such manner.
What is going on this early morning? What is it?
Open this door.
Ogini.
The next time
Open this door.
you speak to me in such disgusting manner, I will skin you alive. I mean it. Ask this man here if he did not sleep with my girlfriend, Kemi. Back then in school. Ask him if he did not pay for her school fees. You are here telling me nonsense. You are evil.
Chetachuku, why are you doing this? Why are you stabbing me emotionally? This thing you're still harboring in your mind happened over 8 years ago. And at that point, you were no longer with Kemi. Do you want to kill me before my time or what? Or do you want to bring the enemy into our family all by yourself?
Open this door.
Is that it? See the way you're fuming and raging.
Mama, the only devil I see in this building is this greedy man sitting down here. He is the only devil that I see in this building. And Mama, the only reason I've not turned down that door is a tiny little bit of respect that I still have left.
Okoro.
Don't do that again.
Open this door.
Ajebikwe no. Because of wine. Wine nyina. Nyina. Hey!
Nah, Mama. I don't understand all this thing. Eh? Because this thing where you they talk now, they confusing me. Which one be all this kind talk now? How I won't take no say Kemi no my brother.
and say, Kemi and my brother don't do one or two. I take no. Kemi na one random girl when I just want help. Because I the helpless privileged girl now. I the help destitute girls.
Oh.
You know how to understand
I
now.
don't help everybody, the men and women. Nah, young girls that their breast is dangling like this and their bum bum is water. Those are the ones you help. Have you finished helping yourself or your brother? Have you seen your life? Have you seen where it has landed you? You're seeking for everything under the skirt. See where your reckless life has landed every one of us. Let's touch your brother. He has your father's kind of heart. He does not forget, he does not forgive. Now that it has come like this and become like this, what do we do?
Mama, which kind of question be that now? Eh? Mama, what we will do is that I'll rock him up. And I will lock one. I tell police that police make sure that if my mama come, she don't give him better food. They should look at the food. Let it not be a good food. If make sure that he give him or bread and granite. So when he come out, you know how to respect a senior brother.
He hasn't gotten to this level. He's still your blood brother. Let us handle it internally. It's a family matter.
Let him behave.
See,
Mama, I don't just like that girl. I love the girl. Not love from the girl. Eh? Mama, check it out now. Look at the coffee girl. Look at how coffee she is. When swag. Her swaggering is what is now the thing where they give me more interest. Mama, the problem is that you don't even know this girl. Don't work at this girl now. The girl Towale. That girl.
You love the girl. You love the girl. You don't just like her. You love her. But she's pregnant for your brother. Yes.
Pregnant.
Oh, nya for no say.
No be only pregnant. Na lepi. Mama, when that time come, we know who get pregnant. Whether na my pregnant or na my brother pregnant. Because I know too well. Say na me get pregnant. It's na my pregnant.
Mama, I call this meeting make we talk as family, and also make we support my sister, your daughter Norma. Make we gather as a family, make we support her for this decision which she don't take. Because it's not easy, easy to stay with person where you know love. I know what my sister they pass through. I know what she they pass through for that house.
Shut up.
Eh?
I said shut up. What do you know about love? See, Ibe, let me tell you. During our own time, we get married to our husband without even knowing the man or loving the man. And most of us that got married that time are still in their husband's house. Wow. What are you telling me?
Mama, if love is not enough for marriage, what else?
Assam.
My good son, I know you want to learn. You are not this slave that has nothing in his head. There are a lot. There is trust. There is love. There is dignity. And there is commitment. These three things are most important. What is love?
Don't deceive anybody. Don't deceive anybody. We are the Gen Zs. Before you must marry, you must love the person. Nothing like love is not enough. Which I love is not enough, what? Eh? No teach this boy a bad thing, no. No teach him another thing. Eh? Obiora, no they listen, no. No they listen this one.
Ibe.
Nothing like love is not enough. Gone are those days when person go marry who him no love. Gone are those days. Eh? You see now. Eh? DNA. You see DNA test, it don't cost. That is why for this village, children plenty everywhere children there because DNA they cost. Men no go fit provide to go to DNA test. That means they train children. Innocent men they train children anyhow for this community. Now because of this way mama they talk. Say don't love, not be love. We know they love because of love. Because how woman no go love man go marry him? Just reason I hope you are. Reason this thing. Is it possible?
Ibe, now get out of my presence because you are not making sense to me now.
Now she get out. Get out to where? From my father's house. Where I won't get out. Now me call the meeting, now me go scatter the meeting when I like. Try me get out again. Get out from where? Eh? I won't get out for as a family, make we gather because see the plan now. Look at the plan. I don't plan this thing. Mama see her. If my sister, my lovely Adanine, if she marry Chetachi don't get scholarship to go become basketballer for abroad. Now, if you marry Obiora, they listen now. If you marry her, for their family, they don't do okay. Definitely, now I'm going to carry my sister go abroad. The next man when go pick, now me. Then when I go, I will liberate this family.
How I wish Chetachi is the real husband to my daughter.
Good, I like the talk, Mama.
He would have come here and at least carry you that have sense.
You say? Carry who?
Carry my son.
Obiora? Hey, thank God say your son. Yeah, because me and you know how Obiora they come.
You are a fool. A slave, Kebu. No, you are a fool. You will tell me.
Now so we dey hear. Make you tell this boy the truth, oh. Because 16 years ago, my papa died. Now you carry this boy come here. Tomorrow night you go say I was pregnant before your father died. That is why you don't resemble anybody for here. Look your face.
But don't talk to me like that. This is my mother's house.
Hey. Thank you. This is your mother's house, not your father's house.
It's my son. Sit down. Sit down.
Here is my father's house. Now me resemble my papa.
Sit down. You don't need to talk to this slave fool. Let me ask you, Nebuchadnezzar. You are the one that will tell me the history of my family more than me, right? You and him, who is like my son?
I may resemble my father now. In picture there inside now. You never look picture.
You are a fool. You are the one that need DNA test here.
Mama, they play. You see here, I don't sell them. Now here the men, I go soon sell them. So you know what thing to inherit. Maybe they tell you the truth though.
See, listen. Don't mind all his nonsense. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Mama.
You are the true son of your father. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Mama.
So don't shake. When the time comes, we'll know.
More power, like this. You see the catch, you catch up. Okay, no side out fly. Go and see a mouth for eye.
No go catch my mama foul.
You call me thief.
But no catch my mama foul.
Come, I want to ask you this. Wetin make you always support your sister for this bad character, this bad life each day? Why do you always support your sister, sir? As the first son, as upper man, why do you support your sister?
I don't understand. Wait. I don't understand. See, make I tell you something. Family matter. They don't put a mad. Family matter. Outsiders, they put to mad. Because if you put to mad, they will use you settle. Why they put one woman for my family matter now? You know good. You know good.
But Ibe, you know say you my man. You my G. And you see before you go to support your sister for this bad character which she need, if they benefit something, the thing with that thing they benefit.
That's me finish. I don't blame you. Anyway, see the matter. I can tell you that gist. You know say Chetachi now, my sister, husband, brother now, that all one. Second husband. The all one. You try to be second husband now. You never pay black price yet. Say second husband. Calm down. Calm down. As in there now, Chetachi don't get scholarship abroad.
So I don't want to be concerned.
Calm down. Now see him. See the mathematics. If Chetachi marry my sister, you check him now. You go carry my sister and go abroad. Just to do the flashback. Just to do the flashback for me now. The reason now. If you carry my sister go abroad, I say marry her. The next man in line, especially when they support my sister and the family.
Now you man.
Next of kin now.
Oh!
I mean.
As the next of kin will be?
Yes now. Now me.
It's not to say you get sense.
That be the thing.
I like it for you get sense well. As you can't go now, if you can steal for you. You don't see? Obiago, move! What follow you?
No, I'm going to send you a picture. Which one will go follow me? Yeah, you go follow me. I will send family.
Ibe they mad. Ibe they crazy, no get sense. So you go Obodo Ibo, now picture you go send for me. Make her they watch your picture. I was waiting now, your picture na food. My eater.
Wait,
so you don't get better future for me. As I did village and stuff I like her.
Wait. You just said that they help anybody go abroad again. Wait, all our friends go abroad. You get anyone will help us? You want me to help you come abroad too? Make you betray me. You just said that they help us to come abroad again. I beg you.
You never even come out.
I got there for village now.
You never even go your brother yourself. You don't dey act.
Never see anything.
Ibe, where am go catch you foul now?
My level don't change.
This guy never even go their boss. Even don't show me level. But Ibe, no worry. Wait, Ibe.
What is wrong with children of nowadays? How can two biological brothers, of the same parents, be fighting over one woman?
Now look at the woman and her drago. Even in the
My concern is
basin.
Enough is enough. Obu malaki na chona ye banya de ego. Odi na banya de ego.
Do you know, I used to think I'm fat, but when I saw these two people, I know that fat is fat. There is fat.
My annoyance is that, is there no other woman on the surface of earth? Okay. Why must you fight over one? Now, Norma, listen to me. As the head of this family, I am standing my ground, because all of you know, if I take this matter to my kinsmen, many of you will be ostracized. You know the implication.
What take it to them?
Norma, listen to me. Okoro is your husband. Legally, because he wedded you.
Ma'am.
And traditionally, he's your husband. Paid your bride price, so he's your husband. Any other person is an intruder.
Counterfeit.
Yes. And the gods of the land, our tradition will not fail to deal with that person accordingly. To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
Ma'am. Uncle Kafo, I've heard all he said. But the truth of the matter is that I will never go back to my vomit. Mr. Okoro here is my vomit. I never loved him.
Perfectly said.
On one move your vomit. Okoro one be your vomit.
Edda.
Okoro one be your vomit.
It was my mother that forced me to marry him.
I'm aware.
Because of the gift and the money he's giving to her.
Bam.
As of now, I have found my love. And my love is Cheta.
Perfectly said. Perfectly said. Where my sister stand, I where I stand.
Ipu nyala.
Osino.
You are a madman.
I'm going to work ya buru woke. I'm going to work ya buru woke.
You are a madman. If you don't close that mouth of yours,
Mama, wait to aka.
In Apwala. See, let me tell you something. Norma, you see Okoro here? He's your husband.
Mama, never. Never. I won't marry Okoro. I won't. In fact, Okoro, I need a divorce and I need it now.
Bam.
I'm not doing this marriage anymore.
Bam.
You lied!
Mama,
I say you need Sibu working. Over my dead body. Divorce. Where? In my house or anywhere. Let me tell you something. Shut up. I'm talking. Mama, I'm talking. Shut up. What
are you doing?
If I'm talking, you keep quiet.
Why are you even supporting Mama? Why are you supporting
You will
him?
marry Okoro if you like it.
I will not, Mama. I will not. Go ahead and marry him. You forced me to marry him.
I'm the first son of the house, Mama.
Have you seen what you did to your mother? Chetachi.
Bam. Take over.
Chetachi.
You marry your sister.
Basketball. X. Keronye mere mi ya. Chetachi, have you seen what you have done to your own mother? You turned your own biological mother into a laughing stock in this village. When I'm going, people will be laughing at me, pointing at me. The one that her second son snatched the first son's wife. People are mocking me.
Ififele.
No sense. No sense of responsibility at all.
Please. Just let me be. As far as I am concerned, this matter has been resolved a long time ago. All we are just doing here is just going back and forth and rigmaroling for nothing.
The
English. Okay.
Okoro. Owen he chọrọ ikwu. Ama m na anọ ma jiri go obi. Owen he chọrọ ikwu.
Ọ chọrọ divorce, ga man me na grant ya.
I chọrọ divorce because
Cheta, in fact, this whole thing is shame for me. I shame for you. Cheta, you no get conscience. Cheta, you no get no even respect or regard or small conscience for everything when I do for you. Cheta, you have the mind. You stealing my woman, and you are here in Asolomo Yibo. You are speaking English for me. You are speaking English, embarrassing me in front of people.
Ew.
Cheta, I will tell you something today.
They say I will fight you with mother. I will fight you. I go fight you physical and spiritual. If you fear, I will leave the fact that you are my brother. But I'm not fighting you.
Okoro, you are just a downcast, frustrated fool who had already failed even before he started.
My elder brother, you're talking to like this.
Hi! Let me ask you a very sincere question. How does it feel to have a taste of your own medicine? Okoro, if wishes were horses, what would you wish for? Okoro, you took my woman, Kemi, from me back then in school, and you asked me to focus on my studies.
My Jago.
Okoro, why don't you focus on your business now?
My Jago.
Why don't you focus on your business?
You had money that time.
What did you do?
Keep quiet.
Leave me alone and leave my woman for me.
Why are you dragging her? Sit with him.
Is it because of me or because of him?
Mama Zugoya in-law.
Mama, I'm pregnant. Cheta, did you do this because of me or because of him? No, don't tell me to. Did you do this because of me or because of him?
For this family, as they see us, only we dey support you. You know, right?
Of course.
Good. Our mama don't rebel us. So I just want to make you know. So that by the time you don't go, you go. Remember me.
Ibi, my brother, you have nothing to worry about. I have seen how you have put in yourself for me. Pains you have been taking all because of me in this house. Once everything we're planning click, Ibe, I'm taking you abroad.
Oh.
Hey,
thank you.
Please clap for your stupid selves. Yes. I regret having you children as my own children.
What are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. Eh? But Norma, are you not ashamed of yourself? This is my husband's house.
For our own papa's house.
This is my father's house.
So you will not come here and tell me what to do and what to say. Are you hearing me? How can you come here to say nonsense? I mean, how do you explain to the villagers that you are having an affair or feelings for your husband's younger brother?
But Mama,
are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at the shame you have brought to this family.
Are you concerned about the villagers, or you should be concerned about your daughter's feelings?
You have no stupid feelings.
Imagine
Mama.
This woman.
Yes, what stupid feelings is that?
I wonder how you're my mother because you have never stood in for us for a day.
See, let me tell you, if you see this stupid English you're speaking and all that, if I did not send it to school, you wouldn't have learned it. Yes! But let me tell you something. I will add fuel. I will add kerosene. I will add even gas. And you will burn to ashes.
Burn which house? Mama, don't try it. Which house? This house? Where my inheritance. My papa built for me. You want burn this house? Don't try it.
Except to leave this my husband's house and go back to your own husband's house.
Mama, don't just add to my temperature this afternoon.
Good.
Don't add to it, Mama.
Good.
Don't add it.
Yes, what will
If
happen?
you intend to add to it, Mama,
Yes,
you will
what
not
will
like
happen?
me.
And you
will not like me, Mama.
I will shit on
Mama,
your
you will
head.
not like me.
No, even that your room, make I shock you. News flash. You see your room. My wife to be, now you go there. You go for kitchen.
It will flip. Sometimes I even wonder if you're a man. Pregnant a woman. I have not seen a girl that comes here and say, this man did this or did that. You've not touched him. You have dick.
I go shock you. See, you get one room here for your papa house. Bad as a bad rich. I don't name, listen. Anytime we outside the hut, come back to your
Shame. She should remain here and the bullet on her can and get old.
It's a lie, Mama. Cheta is in love with me.
Good. That is what matters. See my ticket to Bodo.
Yeah.
Straight ticket.
Hello.
Now who be this woman self?
Disgrace.
Ah.
Disgrace.
As we plan now. Don't forget me, yeah?
Of course.
And the important.
Look at his age. He's in quarter because he does not reason well.
At least I have property to inherit.
Is this property?
It's my father's. Everybody that Papa bid for. I'm happy.
Let's I forget. You remember that other place we were actually talking about?
Yes, we'll buy it now. We'll buy it. Once you send the money, I will go pay the agent fee and then.
So that we can actually move.
Please, I called you people here to understand what is really happening in this house. Oh, Mama, are you aware that you are married to Mr. Okoro? Can you please explain why you abandoned your husband, Okoro, for his younger brother, Cheta?
I don't know why I need to explain myself to you or anybody who cares to listen. I'm no more in love with Okoro. My heart now belongs to Cheta. And there's nothing anyone can do about it. How else do I need to explain all of this?
But you remember that you are married to Okoro. What now happened to the vow you took in the presence of everyone on that day? For better and for worse.
Auntie Alice, please. I sincerely appreciate the fact that you came out here. You left your family, your husbands, and things you should be worried about, and you came to worry about us. I appreciate you. But you see, this matter is a done deal. It is done and dusted. And I'm going to respectfully ask you to go back to the people you left in your house, your husband and family, and go and care about them before I change my mind.
Cheta Abamu Gidia. Cheta Abamu get again. In fact, Cheta Abamu get the third time. Change your mind. Ibonya lap. Change your mind for who? Nekon Cheta. They call it Cheta. You never fake your head. You're nodding your head. One bunch of yesterday. Now look at this guy. Listen, Cheta, make I tell you something today. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me. You feel you're wicked in me. You have the mind. You have the molar. The strong molar to bully my woman and after my woman. You will of conscience. No regard. No regard. And this talking, you know, call your head. Because I blot out. I blame money. Because I blame money when you go to school. You go to school and come back. You know, Solomon English. You speak English. And you are doing no cut for me. I will use money. I have the money. I will use money and buy people. They will do you something.
Okoro, you won't do anything.
They will do you something.
You won't do anything.
Jezebel that I bought with my own money. Stay away. When I reach your turn, I will know what to do for you. But see you, Okwe Funge, Cheta, there is no problem. Because I don't want to offend God. I don't want this God to say that my hand is blood. If not, I use money to buy people that will do you something. Yeah. They will do you something. Hey. But no problem, auntie. I respect you. As a titled man, I give you respect. I come out to hear you. There is no problem. Okay, for these two people, I will know what to do. The person that I am. You won't do my capacity.
Okoro, you won't do
you are challenging my capacity. A man of my capacity. Eh? I will use money and teach you lesson. May go see you something. No problem. You people are playing. You are using a titled man. You are telling me you change your mind. Again. You change your mind for what? Change your bad character. You have a bad character. You have a condemned character. You have a smelling character. You have a dustbin character. Change your character.
Hey.
You get that time I'll change my mind.
You're a 2 minutes man.
Mechonu! Did you bring you to this family to destroy this home?
Auntie Biko. Biko. Ariaka Narogi. Biko. Apaslami way. What's the meaning of this now? Again, yourself. Baby, I'm inside.
Hello.
Baby, are you?
I'm inside, please.
Baby, kwa.
You think you were wise, but another is wiser. You can eat your cake and have it all the time. Sometimes you play the dirty game and lose in the end. You can bite the fingers that fit you. You want to break my heart. You want to tear my world. But what you see, you're gonna be the fool in the end. You want to break my heart. You want to tear my world. But what you see, you're gonna be the fool in the end. Just like the saying goes, if an just enjoy while it lasts, with pride in your eyes. When the time will come, we will know where did that go wrong. What have I done?
Make I bring another one.
One bottle for the road. Make one bottle for the road, and you calculate.
You want to tear my world, but what you see, you're gonna be the fool in the end. You want to break my heart.
I'm pointing me God on top of my own money. Chetagi Lianyaya. Yala.
Wonder shall never end. Hey, Chiba anozo. Nenokwa. Okwa Chiba anozo. Your own younger brother. Only your wife. Hey! Obaye maga no fono. Nya, on happen meme. Of all the fine girls, chubby girls who do everywhere, or borrow your own wife.
Madam Nkechi.
Hey!
I answer this, am I owing you?
Mbano. I'll go abu okoroji money.
I know they owe you, Abi.
No, you're not owing me. Oh, just this one here.
So mind your business. Eh? Before I lose my temper now and tell you, see, Abamu Gidiana.
You can lose now. No, you lose now. Lose number. Don't lose the temper. Sorry. Wonders they say shall never end. Sorry, no verse.
Mama, use charm on you. And that is the reason why I came. There is somewhere I will take you to. That they will watch off every of a charm from your eyes with your own urine.
They wash my face with my own urine? Where is this coming from?
Because you are not normal.
You see, you have always been my favorite auntie, right from childhood.
That is why I need to help.
And that is the main reason we are still sitting here having this conversation. Auntie Yaiko Keta, Ojoburu Denesibu Nkaku. Please, let me be. Biko, Kudoechia, Kirineta Nabani, Kobola Wunta. Let's focus on the future, on how I'm going to develop my new woman.
Future kwa.
And start up a family.
with your brother's wife? But this is not normal. I must go and invite the Umada to come and get your urine from that thing in between your two legs so that we can wash off this charm from your face. Okay?
I want to do it. Because I told no willing to. I want to magic. We are going to watch African magic.
What you do in life, you think is smartness. You want to live your life the way you want it. Oh, you think you were wise, but another is wiser. You can eat your cake and have it all the time. Sometimes you play the dirty game and lose in the end.
You'll be okay. You'll be
You
fine.
can bite the fingers that fit you.
Auntie Mama,
You want to break
the both of you are sitting down here and you are not saying anything. Bracheta, can't you see that I'm with your brother? Come and assist me now. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
My brother.
You want to tear my world.
You should come and assist me now. Why are people acting like this?
Two of them.
You're gonna be the fool in the end.
Bracheta, come and assist me now.
Alright,
Hey, Ode.
Fine, bro.
You are fine. You are fine. Let's go inside.
Are you sure we should?
Bracheta, you should assist me. Hey, Jesus. Hey. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. You should come and assist me now. Hey, God.
When the time will come.
Hey, what's the meaning of that now? Do you want to break my leg?
That's your husband.
And so? And so?
I think we should. Don't you think we should help
Cheta,
him?
please.
He needs our help.
Go back to what you're doing. Go back to what you're doing. What's going on?
Your husband.
And so? Cheta, look at me. I don't care what's going on here.
Listen, I know.
Right now, the only person that is actually occupying my heart is you. I do not care whatever your brother is going through. You own my heart, please. So let's just forget about him.
Listen.
Auntie Mama, brother Cheta, don't forget. This is your brother's wife. Auntie Noma here is your brother's wife, and this is unfair. Auntie Noma, your husband is inside. Try and treat him well. He's drunk. He's your husband, though. He's your husband. This is his brother. Auntie Noma. So, Auntie Noma, your brother is in your husband. You. Thank you. He's drunk, though. Go and give him Gary so that he can vomit everything. Babe.
Yeah. Before we proceed, right? I think we should check up on him just one more time, okay?
Babe, I've told you already. Your brother is not my concern right now. Whatever I'm thinking of right now is you, Cheta. Wow. My heart belongs to you. I do not feel anything for him. Can't you see it, babe? Sometimes I wonder where you've been all my life. Sometimes I ask myself, why will I have to find you in this awkward situation? I'm in love with you, Cheta. For the very first time, I was able to stand my ground. I was able to talk back to my husband. I was able to defend myself. Cheta, I'm in love with you. And it's a no to Okoro and yes to you.
Listen, Dazi, I have always been around you, but you were the one who has always been distant. But I'm glad I have you now.
Really?
You see, yes. And I'm not going to let you go. But you see, Norma, we have a little problem.
What's that?
That's my brother, your husband. You're still married to my brother. I don't know how we're going to handle this.
Chita, we can travel. We can leave the city. We can even leave for the city like today. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I can't wait to build my whole world around you. Each time I sleep and wake up, Chita, you're the man in my head. I think of you every time, every moment. You light up my space. You fill those empty space. You're the man of my dreams. And I'm in love with you. But, you know, sometimes I feel like you don't love me as well. I keep longing to have you. I keep asking myself, when you're going to make me feel like a real woman? When are you going to touch all of this? When are you going to make me wet in your presence? I need you, Chita.
Listen, Norma. In as much as we are so much into each other right now, I would still love us to observe our tradition. You are still married to my brother, and before we can touch each other, you have to return your bride price that my brother paid.
Are you saying that if my bride price is being returned today, you're going to make love to me?
Absolutely. Yes.
Chita, stop already.
Listen to me, Norma. The moment that your bride price is returned, I am going to make you feel like a real woman. I will shake all the parts of your body. I will work on every joint, every muscle tissue, every cell in your body. I will ignite them with my fire. Your legs are going to shake. You are going to scream for joy. I will take you to another planet, another realm entirely. As soon as all of this is done, I'm all yours.
Chita, this is what I've always dreamt of. I've always wanted you in my space. I've always wanted you to be the father of all my kids. You're a real man, Chita. You light up my space. Chita, I know that may be difficult, but I can't wait to have you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You make me feel love. The sight of you alone brings gladness to my soul. And I'm happy I found you. And I'm not letting you go.
What you do in life, you think is smartness. You wanna live your life the way you want it. Oh, you think you were wise, but another is wiser. You can eat your cake and have it all the time. Sometimes you play the dirty game and lose in the end. You can bite the finger.
know what your mission is in the lives of my sons. But let me tell you, that mission, that your plan, it has all failed. All of them have failed.
Mama, I'm not the cause of anything. I am not the cause of anything. Go and hold your son, Okoro. Tell him to leave my love, Cheta, alone. Tell him to leave...
Did you say that? No, did you say that? And I will slap you again. Are you mad?
Mama, you slapped me.
I will slap you over and over again.
Yes.
Do you have any problem? No, are you sick or something? Do you need help?
Nothing is going to stop me from following my heart. Cheta is my heart and I'm going to follow him. Not even you can stop me, Mama.
You need to go to rehabilitation.
Mama, take it easy. Mama! Look, if your plan is to destroy the beautiful home that Mama has built, you have failed, though. It took her years to build this family. Mama! Mama!
Oh, my mama. It's Ogo, my in-law. Norma, please, I'm just here for us to put heads together. And make things work between our children in this their marriage.
Because which children are we even talking about, if I may ask you? And which marriage are we going to put heads together to work? Because the last time I checked, your daughter is marrying 2 brothers. Is she not a shame? Shameless woman. Shameless woman. How did you even raise this your daughter? How did you raise her to jump from one man to the other in the same house? The first time it was my son, her spec, the only man in her life. When she now saw the younger brother, jump, that is my spec now. Because when this my own, this one she's jumping on now, maybe something happens. Another spec. So you raise the spec in your house as your daughter.
Gozeka, don't even use this your bad mouth on me. And you go.
Oh, you didn't come for reconciliation. Don't touch
my
me.
in-law.
You couldn't touch me with your sinful hands.
My in-law, please. Let us make this thing work. Because
I asked you a simple question. Have you answered me? Which marriage and which children are we talking about? Because I even heard that you forced this your same daughter to marry Okoro, all because of money. See where this whole nonsense has landed us. Yes! You're not going to cause this madness. Who are you? Who is your daughter? As no nego na taba, moya ne anya. Ona ta moya ne. All this madness you cause because ni worry fella. You're so greedy. You're so loose-headed. Hey!
Please forgive.
Train her well.
Forgive.
Go and raise her. Gazuaria ya. Izwo wokro. Izwaria. Ni fella mending kita lacha koranya. You're betting me, my in-law. This in-law, is it a title or chieftaincy title? Can't you get a gift? Have I called you in-law once?
Forgive us.
Don't touch me. Wait. Your hands are defiled. You see not the same hand you're using to touch your daughter, to pamper your daughter. You want me to start behaving like your daughter? You go, Naba.
I should go.
Come and stay, live with me. When she decides who she wants to marry, then we can talk about something. But for now,
think about it.
I'm not thinking. Go think about your daughter. Call her to order. Tell her the right thing she should do. Train her well. Train her well.
God, there's a mad.
Get out. Whatever you said does not count anymore. You came to beg, my in-law. We came to put her head together. Put your head. Is it not good heads to put together? Awuraki.
Rosokuru.
called me.
Yes, I call you.
So, what do you want? What is it?
Yes, Cheta. I called you so we will talk. Because we really need to talk. If you look very well, you go see say community people don't they talk. See this our family. This family, we don't build this family to the level where we say we not suppose allow things to go down. And I want to understand now. I don't sit down. I don't listen am. As a elder brother and as a titled man, I don't check and balance am. Wetin we dey do, it no go well. So I call you as my younger brother to listen with me. Make we come out from this mbamba thing, this ligmalolin rolling up and down. Because it no make sense. You are my only brother. If not for the fact that Anna blood to get up, and blood to get down. I know what I will do for you. So, Chetawanne, I want you to reason and conclude for your mind. Tell me what you want. Me, Chief Okolo, I will give them to you. You are my only brother. Tell me what you want make I do for you. Or any country where you won't go. I go sponsor. Njena bank. Nje bank would they go. I go sponsor you. Leave my woman. Me and you, we know. Say, this girl, I pay her bride price. I know me, I know. Traditional. And it's bad that no be outsider. Now my brother. Now I my woman. No be say I don't know what thing to do. If I don't know, I get the money. I go use my money, buy what thing to do. But if I look at my only blood, I no fit do you that end. So, Biko, Cheta, I have suffered for you. You know that I've suffered for you. You know. So, listen with me. Even if it's for Bible, listen with me. Leave my woman. It's abomination. Very long thing to do. But no problem. I will forgive you. Just leave my woman. Biko, I am begging you now. Because I don't want this thing to go extreme. If you go extreme, Omandema, you won't like my color. So, Biko, I am begging. Not my woman. Tell me what you want me to do for you. Makachuku, I will do it for you. Biko, I beg, I beg. I no want fight, I no want problem. Just Biko.
Prosokoro. Is this why you called me out here? Is this what you called me here to tell me? If this is why you called me out here, then you obviously have nothing meaningful to say.
This thing. Did somebody do this thing to you?
Prosokoro, can I ask you something let me ask you a very sincere question. Okoro, how does it feel? How does it feel to have a taste of your own concussion? I was a victim of the same circumstance. Now it's your turn, and you are crying like a baby, a titled man. You're older than me, for crying out loud. You should be the bigger person. So why are you crying? You started this game, but I will finish it. You hear me?
Cheta, you are my younger brother. I want you to know that not every drum of the masquerade, every drum that they play for masquerade, the masquerade dance. Our people used to say, "Ekuo mano on egbu nwata. Mafu me ekui no on egbu okenye." I am an elder to you, and I have seen. That is why I am talking, because you are going to the long route. The route you are going will consume you. I don't want to lose you. You are my brother. Reason with me. Leave this woman, is not your woman.
If you are less busy, you can go back to the city and continue with your business. Just leave me the fuck alone, man.
See person pikin. Bros, good afternoon, sir. Sorry, sir. Are you Okoro's younger brother? The one that came back from soccer?
Yes. I am Okoro's younger brother, the one that came back from Nsukka. And do you have any problem with it?
No, of course not. I was just wondering, why are you dragging a woman with your own elder brother? When there are 1,001 women, see as you fine, you can actually get. If you like them chubby, take a good. Look at me now. A fool are there for you.
Yes. I think you are really beautiful. You listen to me. The next time you see me coming from that way, I want you to go that way. Do you hear me? Should I say it again?
No.
Hear me! Nonsense.
It's okay, Bagala. You're gonna call the fluff. You are busy dragging a woman with your own elder brother. No, I'm trouble. Oh, my for these things. Oh, he's busy following his own elder brother's wife. Only believe it. I'm talking to you. Stand here.
Are you okay? What is wrong with this toothpick? What's your problem? I understand that you're pain. I understand that you're not a speck. You're too slim for his kind. Okay? So take this your anger somewhere else. Let this be the first and last time you're going to stop me on my way again.
Wow. So if they should ask you now, Noma, you will say you have snatched Cheta from me, Abi? And you think it's a good thing?
Hey, Wahala.
You are legally married. But yet you are flirting with his younger brother and you are not ashamed of yourself. That's the height of it all. And what I have seen in this whole thing is that you cannot read through the handwriting on the wall. You can't read between love and lust. And let me tell you, what you are feeling for Cheta is lust, not love.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? That a legally married wife of the Okoro's family came into the family and took somebody you claim to be your husband. Let me tell you, Cheta is in love with me. And I'm in love with Cheta. Wow. There's no point stressing it. He's never your type.
Okay, let me bust your bubble, Auntie Noma. Madam know it all. see all these charades that Cheta is pulling up with you. It's just to pay his elder brother back for what he did to him years back. It's not like he loves you, but you won't see it. Will you know now? No, I will not blame you now. Will I blame you when a lady is not reading between the lines whether it's lost or love, or whether the man loves her or he doesn't? He will not know. But you see, I will be here. I will know where this whole thing is heading. If it's a trap or he's truly in love with you.
For your information, I've heard that over and over again. Do you have any other news?
It's okay.
Do you know why I had to stand here?
What?
I want to listen to you rant. Because this is the only pain you can actually express from a loser. For your information, Cheta is in love with me. And I'm in love with Cheta. You've just lost yourself, a man.
Precious.
My friend, get out.
You think you were wise, but another is wiser. You can eat your cake and have it all the time.
What she said is true. I thought he feels same way with me. Am I alone in this? My God. Hope it's not what I'm thinking. He said he loves me too. He said I'm his kind of woman. But where is this leading us to? Will Cheta marry me? I think I need to ask him, so I know where I stand.
This one where they stand so worried.
Why are you worried? I know they like see you like this.
Ibe, are you sure this man is in love with me? Are you sure I'm not making a wrong choice by actually going after Cheta?
Which one will be say, are you sure Cheta is in love with me? Are you sure? What did they talk? Wait. Women, no. What one I want? What one I actually want for this life? I don't understand. You there with a man, we love you, get money. You say you don't want them again. Say the one where you define. Now the one will be your spec. We no get money, but get promising future. You say that one where you want end with. Now they ask whether that one where you want end with, whether I love you. Why they confuse my head? I don't know why. Why they confuse me?
Ibe, I know Cheta is my spec. But I don't want to end up actually going for a wrong deal.
Listen, you don't go end up miserable. Listen, I buy your spec. I think say what you make you even come here now to tell me say the 400,000 where they use pay for your bride price. You know, say na 400,000 and give our elders, our kinsmen. So I think say na the 400,000 you want bring, make we take a return back for your bride price. So I you go there free like a bird. Follow your heart. Do what makes you happy. Now what in this life they about to?
By tomorrow, make sure I get the money across to you. I don't just want to make a wrong choice. That's why I'm here.
You know they make any wrong choice. Cover your mind. You're not making wrong choice. This is the right choice ever. Follow your spec. Anything will give you happiness. Follow and they go. No look face. You are my sister. And I'm not going to give you wrong address. I'm sure. So tomorrow the money will be available. So I should go and gather the elders. You can't call me for bush. I can't see everything happen.
What you do in life, you think is smartness. You want to live your life the way you want it.
Wait, see. It's too they do. What's the problem?
Wait first.
What's happen?
Calm down.
I will say no be that same fake business. So you know because you carry better thing work. No be fake business. You carry call this time around.
Calm down now. No be fake business. This one. This one na correct business. Just chill.
Nah, you
say, You understand? See the business. You will kill your father.
You see, I no get better thing for mouth.
Wait, I never talk finish. 100,000 they involved. It don't smile now. Now better deal. See, my sister say she no want marry again. So, which is a good office for me, but they consign me. Now see as it go be. She give me 400,000. Because I tell her say na 400,000 used to be her bride price. So if she no want marry again, we go refund the diary. Now she go give me 400,000, make I take all refund her diary. So she give me the money for my account now. For pay, now she pay. She come say make I carry out. Go give your father as a elderly man for our family. So your father now will call refund the money tomorrow. Then be the meeting. So meanwhile, I can't calculate
Let's say Papa, a greedy man. Please, calm down, calm down. Your father is a greedy man. Calm down, no verse. And I believe, say, you don't inherit any greediness from her. That's why I bring this deed give you. So you go buy your father, you go represent her for the meeting tomorrow. You wear them clothes, wear them cap. As the next man in line for our family, now you. So you go represent her. I see her.
Ibe, this business is a better business, not genuine business. But I go buy my papa now. I will kill my father.
You know they're useful now.
I'm not going to tolerate that insult.
You don't give you 100,000 before.
I must see money. This is why I call you my man. Yeah. You my man.
So you go kill him. No problem. But now tomorrow morning will be the meeting. No. I want to take do am.
Tomorrow now. My father they go tap palm wine. So as soon they go now, me and you now go set trap. They decide, we go try the Europe as soon they go. That bicycle not too good. So you go put my belly there.
I didn't tell you the thing that tomorrow we want go reform bright price. They tell me say I go set trap for bush. I go wear my regalia. I want to take do this Congo bush. Do on this night.
No, today they tell me I'm now.
Buy on this night. Money there for my.
No, be I no go buy. Leg now won't break.
Do anything you want to do this night. Make it not available tomorrow. I go send you your.
How? This is why I call you my man.
You are my guy. You are my guy.
Go chop and call me first.
I may go. I use my card. I did for my own. My guy.
You call me.
Don't believe me now. So I get business.
You get better business.
I thought you just came for the title and everything. I thought you were going to raise the building later next year or something. Or did you change your mind? Did you?
Listen, let me tell you something, my brother. As Odogu that I am, don't you know that after the title, by Christmas, when I will do the main ofala of my title, my counterpart business people will come with the ofala.
Money is your goal. Cheta,
what's going on here?
So this
what's happening? I'm talking to you, Cheta. Why are you ignoring me?
But you see the engineer.
Cheta, I'm talking to you. Where are you coming from?
The engineer that is fixing the parapet. We need to monitor them. They used to still see it.
That's why you are here. I will give you money.
Cheta.
I will handle it. Come, let me show you
Where are you
something.
coming from?
Yeah, I think you see this lot. Complete with this lot.
Yeah.
This lot is, I spend money in this lot. It's
not
not
a
that
payment.
they come and they tip this lot.
Cheta.
Let me show you.
Cheta.
This road is as safe as heaven.
Don't worry yourself. Ignoring me,
This
Cheta?
Christmas, I got Panona.
I got Papuna.
Cheta, you're ignoring me? Cheta.
Where's that useless, shameless daughter of Jezebel? Mama! Come outside here! Ha! Oh, this Mama. Is not daughter-in-law. Good morning, Mama. Mama! Come out here!
Azuruncha. And who is this useless girl that doesn't have manners? Why are you shouting my name this early morning? I don't understand. Mama, who is she?
I've seen you that have manners now. Madam Manna. You have manner and simple little tests like this that they gave to you. You failed woefully. Are you not shameless?
Mama, what test is she talking about?
Yeah.
You don't know. Well, we wanted to make sure we do not bring a girl that will scatter our family for us. Because it cost me my whole life to build this great family you are enjoying today. Yes. So we decided to put you to test. Remember the very first day you set your foot to this house? When you and your husband arrived here and he asked after your brother-in-law, Chetachi. I told him he was at the back trying to cut some firewood for me. While we entered inside, you snuck to go through the back because you hadn't met him before. When you saw him, you didn't know I was coming there. I saw the way you were lusting after your own brother-in-law. Touching your body, smooshing your body. Ooh. And I told my sons, I said, let's put this girl to test. Let's know the kind of girl we are bringing into our household. And they agreed with me. And we all decided to put you to test together.
Mama, it's a lie. You can't say that.
Oh, Reggie, go.
You can't say that. It has Reg. Mama Muake, you tested me.
And you failed woefully. I know how you were clamoring for Cheta to make out with you. And Cheta said, I will not do it with you until your people returns your bride price.
Listen to me, Norma. The moment that your bride price is returned, I am going to make you feel like a real woman.
Are you saying that if my bride price is being returned today, you're going to make love to me?
Absolutely.
And he told his brother Okoro. Okoro gave him that 400,000. Remember that 400,000 Cheta gave to you? Your useless brother, you gave to him. Because he told you we paid 400,000 as your bride price. Not knowing we paid only 400 naira. Your worthless and useless brother deceived you. You see this girl here, Blossom, she has been tested, trusted. When my sons come back, we're going to go to her father's house to do a proper introduction. So we tested you and you failed woefully. Go back to your father's house. Your father's house is still there. Go back to your father's house.
Let me go inside and pack her.
Go into the house, pack her things. And come
Mama
and
Biko,
take it across the gate.
I don't have anywhere to go to. You know my
Your
mother
mother
chased me.
opened her mouth to say, when you said Cheta is my dream
But
man.
I didn't take that bag inside. What's wrong with
See
you?
the way you're running mouth. You're not even remorseful.
At all.
You're not even ashamed. You're not even bothered. Other girls would have been rolling on the ground trying to save their marriage, trying to salvage their marriage. Your own is, take my bag in.
That's how shameless
out.
people behave.
Have you forgotten how you said you need the body of Chetachi?
Mama Biko, I don't need it anymore.
Body.
Mama, don't let her
Your
touch
dream man.
that sinful hand
No
of
problem.
their house.
Mama Biko,
Go back to work. See this grandchild you're carrying. See this child
Mama,
is my grandchild.
Mama,
I cannot deny my grandchild. And now
I love Okoro. I love Okoro.
You don't love
Mama,
Okoro?
please don't chase
I cannot
me.
speak well.
Okay,
Carry her
guys, Okoro,
Carry her things to the
Mama,
gate.
please.
They are even talking too much.
Carry my grandchild.
Bring my bag. Bring my. I'm not happy with you. Bring my bag.
Remove your hand from my body.
Mama,
What is wrong with you?
Mama, I don't have anywhere to go. Biko, Kwano, Mama Biko.
Go
Kwano.
and disgrace
Mama
disgracing your
Biko,
mother the
Mama
way you
Biko.
started earlier.
Mama Biko.
Go and
Oh,
finish
Gika,
it.
Biko. You are my mother. You're the
looking
only
for
one.
a sexy
Hey,
body.
Mama Biko, go on. Mama Biko.
You will tear my
I'm carrying your child. I'm carrying your first grandchild, Mama Biko.
I know, and I have told you how
my
to take care of
child
the
need
first
you,
grandchild.
Mommy, please. Biko, no.
I
Biko,
begged you.
Mama Biko.
I begged you.
Hey, Mama Biko, Mama. Mama,
Hey, now. What is this?
Mama Biko, I don't have anywhere to go. Please, Mama. Will you bring back my bag?
Hey, come and pass, so shameless. Come and start
Go and
going
get
my
my
bag.
bag. Go and get my bag.
Come outside.
I said you should go and get my bag.
If you want your bag, come
You're
outside.
mad.
Go
and get my bag.
We going. Cheta. We going. Cheta. Come and leave. Go and bring my bag. Mama. Go and go. Mama, Biko, Mama. Mama. Shut this girl. Leave me go. Hey, Cheta. Cheta. Hey, Biko. Hey.
What you do in life?
Nonsense.
You think it's smartness. You wanna live your life.
Wow, stop flexing around the village. Not with this family. Nonsense.
You think you were wise.
Obiara.
But another is wise.
Where's your water bag? What is the water you're looking at me? What's your job in this lab?
Sometimes you play the dirty game and lose in the end. You can't bite the fingers that fit you. You want to break my heart. You want to tear my world.
I'm finished, Mama. Ah, God. Where will I start from now, Mama? Oh, Mama. Mama, it was all a joke all this while. I was busy fooling with Cheta, Mama. Oh, God, I'm finished.
You said test.
Mama, I'm finished.
No, when I was asking you, pleading with you, to stop that nasty attitude of yours that you were busy doing in your husband's house, did you listen to me? No, you did not. See, you know the road to your room, isn't it? Drag your bag to your room. But let me tell you, this thing that you committed is your shame alone. I know. And one more thing, this is my husband's house. I call the shots, and if you're not ready to obey it, come back. It's your own husband's house. Did you hear me? Yeah, what?
Nne, I told you, whenever it's hot outside, you can always come back to your father's house. Eh? You have your room, come back. You are here. Enter your room and go and relax. Take her back inside. Let's go. But what did you say that happened first?
I didn't know it was all the test, all this while.
Wait.
Cheta and Okoro, they put me to test.
Even...
And I said, whoop me.
Wait. Why now? You form my hand now. Common test, it could not pass. What is test? I cannot pass test now.
I would have known that it was a test.
Why would you know? You are smarter than this now. You are smarter now. You are welcome home anyway. Go back. It's your father's house. Oh my God.
Shameless people.
Thank you.
Did I give birth to this girl?
Carry
God
on.
forbid.
They will come and beg. My in-laws will come and beg. Yes. If they don't come, another man will come.
Yes.
You're a full spec.
Yes, you're welcome.
Your room is inside.
Go and stay.
I don't say I sold your mattress. So you go manage crack.
Sometimes you play the dirty game and lose in the end. You can bite the fingers that fit you. You want to break my heart. You want to tear my world. Know what you see. You're gonna be the fool in the end. You want to break my heart. You want to tear my world. Know what you see. You're gonna be the fool in the end. Just like the saying goes, if you're not so just enjoy what it lasts. With pride in your eyes. And the ransom ye malive ya potana wo. When the time will come, we will know where did that go wrong. What have I done to deserve this? Atasilum we boy no be. It doesn't we boy manya.